What's up guys? After 5 days vacation on the Appalachian Trail, I'm back recording videos for you, and I thought what better idea for a video for Motivational Monday than when should we take vacations? So if you're new to the channel, welcome. And let's get in with the video. So not taking regular vacations is a proven recipe for burnout that can lead to major health issues and end up requiring even longer breakaway from work. The list of stress-related issues caused by an endless work schedule is enormous, including sleepless nights, stomach issues, irritability, backaches, and tension headaches. Wait, I'm getting flashbacks from previous relationships. A 2015 study from University College in London found that overworking can lead to a 33% higher risk of having a stroke and a 13% increased risk of a heart attack. Unplugging from work, even just for a day or two, can help you maintain a better overall perspective on life, help strengthen your personal relationships, and boost your happiness levels, which will all support a healthier, happier person showing up at work. Since creativity is fed by new experiences and encounters, taking regular vacations can lead to a powerful insight and new ideas that you can bring back to the workplace. And although some people worry about their job security when they go away, the reverse can also be true. If you're a valuable commodity at work, then going away can serve as a great reminder to your boss and colleagues of just how important and missed you are when you're not around to handle things. I also noticed that most symptoms are the same if you're in a bad marriage, but that's a different topic. So sign number 1. You begin to look like your passport photo. It's an old joke with a lot of truth to it. Any signs of chronic stress that might be signaling impending burnout are obvious red flags. Irritability with colleagues, finding it difficult to concentrate on routine tasks, chronic tension headaches, back strain, stomach issues, or more serious health concerns. Sign number 2. You're having trouble sleeping. Whether you're having trouble falling asleep or waking up at 3 a.m. every morning, sleep issues can be a symptom of overwork and stress, or it can be a signal that you're just too focused on your work at the expense of everything else. Sign number 3. When you begin missing important events in your personal life. If you find yourself having missed too many family dinners, school concerts, or family outings, it could be a clue that you need to reconnect with your family during some much needed vacation time. I can definitely see that one applicable to me. Sign number 4. You're starting to make more mistakes at work. Whether it's errors on financial reports or customer transactions, if you find you're making more mistakes than usual, it could be a sign you need to reboot your mental hardware. If you guys are still watching, make sure you stress the like button and make it turn blue. And if you're not a subscriber, on this channel, I talk about personal finances, business, taxes, and personal growth and development. So if those are topics you're interested in, consider subscribing. And now let's get back to the video. Sign number 5, you're no longer enthusiastic about your work. If you're not as excited to get into work on a Monday morning as you once were, or you dread a work activity that you once enjoyed, you probably need a break. If you feel your work spirit flagging and can't remember what it is that made you love your job, then it might be a good time to get away. Sign number 6, you've lost your sense of humor. I mean, that's if you had some in the first place. And that's a solid sign. You find yourself not laughing as easily as you once did, or you find it harder to find it funny in challenging work situations. Sign number 7, your entire life revolves around your work. If your entire identity is wrapped into your work, so much so that you've forgotten who the real you is, then it's time for a vacation. Sign number 8, you start making unhealthy choices to cope with stress. Reaching for a glass of wine as soon as you're in the door from work, overeating, or foregoing your normal exercise routine can all be signs that you need to shake things up a little bit with a vacation. Sign number 9, your downtime is not down enough. Rather than going for a run or participating in a fun activity in your off hours, all you can manage to do is drag yourself to your couch when you get home because your energy level is so depleted that you're not getting the health and wellness benefits from your off time the way you should be. And reason number 10, you daydream about anything but work. When you find yourself daydreaming at work more and more about winning the lottery or dream vacations rather than focusing on your goals or demonstrating concern for your company's goals and well-being, it's time to book that trip. And also, when you do take a break from work, make sure you don't think about work, focus on the vacation itself. Thank you all for sticking till the end of the video, guys. Have an awesome week and I'll see you next time.